Proper hygiene. Some of you don't know about that. When you reach in your teenage years, your parents and society start stress the importance of proper hygiene. Having a clean skin, clean mouth, look good, smell good, feel good. Because it is healthy. Brush your teeth, bathe your skin. Wash your tutuses and tuntuns. Because at that point in your life, you start feel stink. Your hormones them get active, so you start feel stink. You start produce a stench. As they would say, you start smell your crotches. And it is only right for you, once you start stink from whichever crevice or crack in your body, that you clean it so as to remain fresh, clean, hygienic, healthy. But you have some people out there where you walk around like say, they don't know one name water, they don't know one name soap, they don't know one name toothbrush, they don't know one name RASS toothpaste. You cannot be walking around the world smelling like a corpse. Like you spend most of your days inside of the river Tandom. Let me talk about the bathing real quick. I couldn't wash down a dirty musty arm. Yeah, someone walk out there with your musty think, dirty musty frownsy, nasty frownsy, dirty musty think arm. I don't want bathe. And I play a hypocrite like you no smell no armpit. You no nose you should be on no armpit and smell no dirty self. You no know say when you no dirty you no fi keep yourself away from people. I don't know about you, but I am very self-conscious. As soon as me start feel dirty, me no want nobody come round. If my mouth start smell away, if my armpit start smell away, me no want nobody around me. You see me? Me check myself often to make sure say oh me smell good. And as human beings it is natural for us to start producing a little stench after a while, you know what I mean? But you have some people who play a hypocrite and go on like they smell their own mouth and smell their own arm. Wash your ass arm, beard your dirty kid. And you see neck back, you have some of them with some neck back, you can sprinkle some corn on it, some peas on it, some pepper on it, and it grow, it flourish because they now wash their neck back. When you look on their neck back, dot pan top and dot, it cake up. Wash your ass neck back, beard your kin. And you know what's the funny thing? There are some big adults, some almost reach midlife crisis people who now wash their dirty nasty kin. Or someone will go and go even lie down beside on a husband or wife with their dirty kin there and they kick it on her face and slap on out of bed. Go beard your kin. What rag and soap do? What rag and soap do? You in a malice with rag and soap. It's like you have a big war of one. You know in a nothing with no farm a cleaning utensil. Unu says stink. Walk around and the damn armpit smell like cedar tree. You know here about baking soda. If you can't afford roll on and sin, flash like a baking soda on your arm with lime. Crab your dirty kin. Crab under your arm. Get a brush and crub out under your arm. Take a brush and crub back on your neck. Someone if you can't do it on yourself, get an appearance with it. Get somebody close to you to be sure you have to take a bath. Because you don't understand what's so difficult in taking a shower.
You go in a shower, you flip on the water, you turn up in it, boom, after touch your back. You go sabun, soap up your rag, soap up whatever you use to wash off. Scrub your skin, get in your little crevice there. Scrub your dick, scrub your body, scrub your vagina, scrub everywhere. Get clean, wash back of your ears, wash your head, wash your face.
Yo, baby, especially if you not have to mingle with people on a regular. Make you not beard, you not dirty, musty kin. How if you are going a crowd of people every day, smell, think as ever. How not try the poison of the people them with a dirty armpit. Some of them smell like toxic waste. Some of them pass people and just mash up the people them sense of smell. Mash you up, you wreck. When you pass and people can't smell nothing for your whole day. When you sense stain. Most of them produce some fumes which smell like a biochemical experiment gone wrong. Beard on a dirty raw skin. People, if you stink, don't be a hypocrite. Smell your arm. Beard. Go beard your dirty kin. And stop walk around with weapons of mass destruction and down the armpit. Weapons of mass nostril destruction. Weapons of sense of smell destruction. I couldn't know. Go wash on a dirty thinking armpit. Proper hygiene. Understand the meaning. Oh no, beard. If you wonder if someone a beard with the wrong things.
What a beard in a shit? Eh? After you take a shit, what do you just dip on and back in the toilet and rub you all over on the skin? Eh?
I couldn't smell so. Someone who want scald. You know like when they use a scald clothes back in the day, someone don't need to scald on your skin. Listen to me. If you stink, you need to bathe yourself. Have a bath. Bathing is very important. Especially if you're an athlete like myself or if you mingle with people on a regular. How 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks pass and you're not bathe. Make yourself RASS nasty. Yo, beard. Whoa.
whoa. Watch out. Where you going? You think you're gonna just watch my video and don't subscribe? You must say mad to RASS. Me now play with you man tell you. A while they write this. Facebook it, Twitter it, Kevin do crazy. You know, want start nothing, you know. Do what me tell you for do. I record it like your bumbo.
What, Lydia? Yes,